Hi everyone! You happen to be looking at 3 beautiful colors from Madam Glam that I picked out for you for the seasonal collaboration December box. And the colors are deep burgundy, Lost in the Woods, and the gold is It's Not You, It's Me. So I really feel pretty honored that Madam Glam asked me to participate in their collaborational seasonal boxes. The link to the video about the box will be in the description box below, so check it out. And in this video, I will be showing you how I painted a beautiful bow on my nail. Here is the beautiful bow that I will be showing you how to paint. I will be using the colors It's Not You, It's Me, deep burgundy, and perfect white. And how I start painting the bow is I just start in the center of the nail and I start making the knot, just a square, and that is the knot for the bow. And then I just draw out the bow. It was fairly easy, so I know you all can do it. This is just one of the easiest bows that you could paint. And that's what it looks like all drawn out, and all you do now is you just fill it in with deep burgundy. And once you get it all filled in, you will cure it in your lamp for 30 seconds. And here it is all finished, and I'm going to apply the second layer of gel polish, deep burgundy, and it darkens up the bow quite a bit. And once you complete that, you can again cure that in your lamp for 30 seconds. And here it is all cured, and I'm ready to outline it using the white, which is perfect white. And just take your time and don't worry about it. Don't get nervous and just do your striping. And you may have to go over some of the striping again. And this is where the bow really comes to life, when you outline it and highlight the certain areas of it. And once you complete the outline and detail, you will cure that in your lamp for 30 seconds. And then it will be time to top coat. So pretty and very simple. And here we are top coating with Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat. And then I will cure that for 1 minute. That is the end of the video, and now it's on to other Christmas designs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!